It's week 3 of my Pinterest traffic challenge, and I've just realized something. I've been doing less work and seeing better results. Yes, you heard that right. I went from pinning 5 pins every day to pinning only 1 pin a day, and yet I'm seeing more impressions, more clicks on my links, and more clicks to my Amazon store. So let me show you what's going on. Okay, so it's been 18 days since I created my very first boards and my very first pins. And here are my stats today. As you can see, I have nearly 2,000 impressions, 123 engagements, 40 outbound clicks, 14 saves, 293 total audience, and 36 engaged audience. Now, if you look at the graph here, you will see that this went up quite rapidly since I published my first pin on the 12th of October. I only got a few dozen impressions in the first few days, and now I'm all the way up to a total of nearly 2,000 impressions. And now, as far as my YouTube analytics are concerned, I'm also seeing an upward trend. If I go to my general content analytics and I look at the long form videos, which is where I'm sending traffic to, you can see that I'm getting more views than usual, even though my YouTube impressions are actually down. This means that my views are coming from an external source. If I look at individual video analytics, one of the ones that's getting clicked on quite a lot on Pinterest is my gluten-free brownie recipe. And you can see this in the analytics. It is getting clicks from Pinterest. And if you open this to get a more advanced statistic, you can see that there are many clicks from Pinterest just very recently. So the traffic to this video is increasing as a result of my Pinterest pin. And real quick, if we go to my Amazon store, you will see that I am getting more clicks as well to my store. 7 clicks so far, no sales yet, but that is a definite increase in clicks compared to the zeros I was getting before I started publishing on Pinterest. Now, these statistics to my YouTube channel and my Amazon store might not sound like a huge deal, but keep in mind that I haven't published a single new video in more than a month. So this increase in views to my YouTube channel, this increase in clicks to my Amazon store, it all comes only from the fact that I have started this new Pinterest strategy. And keep in mind again that I started this from complete scratch. This is completely new. And here's the other thing. When I first started this Pinterest challenge, the challenge told me create 1 board, create 5 pins on each board every day. And it was quite a lot of work. Now, the reality is, because my life is so busy with my children and my business, I've only managed to publish 1 pin a day over the last 7 or so days. I don't even post at the weekend. And yet I have seen a definite increase in the number of impressions on Pinterest and the amount of traffic that I am getting to YouTube in the last 7 days. So the good news is, I don't think you need to hustle too hard on Pinterest to get results. You just have to create quality pins and be consistent. You also have to be careful that these pins are optimized for SEO, because Pinterest is a search engine. Now, I only spend about 15 minutes a day creating my pin, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. For this strategy, Claude is my best friend. I have a chat dedicated to this. I open the chat and I speak to him very politely. Let's create my next pin for the pizza dough, please. I give it my ingredients and then I hit return. Just watch what happens now. In no time, it gets back to me with an enthusiastic yes, and it gives me title options and an SEO optimized description. It even gives me an alternative description, and it helps me with my Pinterest pin. It gives me tips on how to create a great pin. I then go to canva.com and I simply type in Pinterest pin, and I choose from one of the hundreds or thousands of templates that they have. I then open it, I add my own fresh images just like this. I do a few very simple optimizations. It takes no time at all. You don't have to be a graphic designer to do this at all. Obviously, I change the wording so that it stays relevant. And once it's ready, I save it. And then bingo, I have a beautiful pin with a great optimized title and description. I then copy and paste all of this, add the link to my video, obviously, and I hit publish, and there you go. That's it. It takes 10 to 15 minutes every day. It's really not difficult. So there you have it. 18 days after I started this Pinterest strategy, I am seeing traffic to my links. This is a legitimate traffic strategy. I cannot wait to show you my results again next week. If you are looking for an evergreen content strategy where you can create a piece of content once and let the platform do the work in the background for you, then I believe Pinterest could be for you. Keep in mind that you are allowed to create pins that are linked directly to a sales page of a product that you are an affiliate for. So you could absolutely use Pinterest for your affiliate marketing directly. I'm doing it a bit indirectly. I'm sending people first to a video of mine because I want my YouTube channel to grow. And from these YouTube videos, I send them to my Amazon store. I do have a few pins that send people straight to my Amazon store, but the bulk of my pins are sending traffic to my YouTube channel. You could absolutely do this by creating pins that send people directly to products that you're an affiliate for. Now, I'm doing this live with a group of people. We are coming to the end of this challenge, but if you want to join us, you are still welcome to. There is a link in the description of this video. If you are watching this video a few weeks from now, the challenge will be finished, but the link will still work. You can still buy the course and do the challenge at your own pace. It just won't be a live challenge in a group of people who are all doing it at the same time. But it doesn't matter. The strategy is the same. I'll be back next week with my week 4 results. I can't wait to share those with you. Fingers crossed, there might be a commission next week. We never know, right? If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you enjoy my content and you want to support my channel, the free and super easy way that you can do this is just hit that subscribe button. It really helps more than you know. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.